Hello, guys. It's April. It's a new month. And every time there's a new month here, we're going to have a video to remind you to get a little cash and traffic with my Daily Mailer and Mr. Safelist. Both sides owned by the same owner. And yeah, it's only 25 cents, but 25 cents on both sides. It's just a little extra to do along with getting your traffic codes. And both sites definitely give you traffic as well. Just go to sent messages and you'll see that. Clicks here. You can see the clicks right here. Same with Mr. Safelist. You can see the... Oops. Something happened. That's something that might happen every once in a while. That's internet marketing for you, but I guess you got too much traffic. And sometimes when you get a host, there's a certain amount per hour or whatever that you can get, or at the same concurrent connections, and if it reaches that limit, you might see this happen every once in a while. But this is a good site that I've been a member of for years. Yeah, it's just an unexpected thing there. Anyway, it'll come back shortly. Each time the new month rolls around, you'll get a monthly promo code. You want to make sure you go ahead and submit the code as quick, within the month, but as quickly as possible. And so for Mr. Safelist, this is the April code, April 313. So April 313 for the Mr. Safelist code, and April 349 for the My Daily Mailer code. Like I said, it's only available this month, expire. So these will always expire, so you want to make sure you're subscribed there to my Traffic Stop channel so you can get these every month before they expire. Okay. There is a space in the menu for redeeming the promo code here, even though this site kind of died on us here. It'll be back. My Daily Mailer. Just click on My Promo Codes. And I already done it. Now, 1MT in this case. Most sites operate on a credit system, but MT just means mailing token. That means you can mail to the whole list or whatever portion of the list that is available to you. Depending upon your membership level, you can mail to the whole list or what's available to you. So MT, these are all minimum. Roughly the minimum here, the sent to, because MT means you can mail to the, even as a free member, you'd mail to this many. And as a fairly new site, this one is still having a good click-through rate, around 10%, so it's a good amount. And yeah, these are mailers. These are both mailers, and the thing about mailers is some people don't like mailers so much because they expect a high conversion rate, but that for a super high conversion rate, you're usually paying for that traffic, which is risky. Whereas with viral mailers, you can get a lot of it for free. So yeah, it has a lower conversion rate because people are clicking for credit. But it's not clicking for credit all the time. Sometimes people will just go through their email and they will see something, a title, a headline for the particular email that piques their interest. Then they'll open and look at it. So that's typically what I see when I make a sale, like probably half of my sales are from people I've never heard of. They're not even that active on the mailers. And then maybe other half of the sales are people that I have heard of. But there's a lot of people I've never heard of. Someone even spent $500 on an upgrade, and they logged in the next day after the purchase, but they still haven't even logged in again. So some people literally just will spend $500. It's hard, you got to stay real active to find those and get those kind of sales. But every once in a while, someone will just spend hundreds of dollars even though they're not even active. It's just, I don't know what's in people's head when they buy it, but they just figure, well, I could use it, so I'll get it now before it's too late. So then they just buy it, but sometimes they end up never even being active. But that's normal. I've heard of people spending over $1,000, $2,000 and doing almost nothing with it. So sometimes that's just the way it is. It's a numbers game. You get as much traffic out there as you can, you'll make some sales. Okay, so make sure you submit these this month. April $3.49 for My Daily Mailer. April $3.13 for Mr. Safelist. Looks like they're back again. But maybe slow for a little bit. And there you have it. 25 cents on each plus some credits. There's a $5 minimum withdrawal on both of them, so you can't immediately withdraw cash, but if you do it every month, you can reach that $5. And I have been paid by, this is a newer site, so I haven't got the $5 yet, but over here I've gotten, on Mr. Safelist, I've been paid several times. So remember, subscribe every month, because people just forget, so my videos can be a reminder to make sure you get your little traffic and a little bit of cash every month with these two. And I'll have more traffic for you in the next video. Thanks.